What happens when a routine voyage turns into a fight for survival? The sea, vast and unpredictable, has always been both a pathway and a peril for sailors. Throughout history, countless ships have embarked on journeys across its expansive waters, some never to return. The story of the President Félix Faure is one such tale, a haunting reminder of nature's untamed power. In 1903, the French bark embarked on what should have been a simple journey, carrying nickel ore from New Caledonia to Europe. The ship, named after the French President Félix Faure, was a symbol of pride and progress. It was a sturdy vessel, built to withstand the rigors of the open sea. The crew, experienced and confident, had no reason to suspect that this voyage would be any different from the many they had undertaken before. But the Pacific had other plans. The ocean, known for its capricious nature, can turn from serene to savage in the blink of an eye. As the President Félix Faure sailed further from the safety of the shore, the weather began to change. Dark clouds gathered on the horizon, and the wind picked up, whipping the waves into a frenzy. Soon after departure, relentless storms and heavy fog descended, reducing visibility to almost nothing. The once clear skies were now obscured by a thick, impenetrable mist. The crew could barely see a few feet in front of them, making navigation nearly impossible. The ship was at the mercy of the elements, tossed about by the raging sea, reducing visibility to almost nothing. The crew relied on their instincts and experience, but even the most seasoned sailors can be overwhelmed by the sheer force of nature. The fog was so dense that it seemed to swallow the ship whole, isolating it from the rest of the world. The sound of the waves crashing against the hull was a constant reminder of the danger they were in. For weeks the crew battled nature's fury, struggling to keep the ship on course. They worked tirelessly day and night, fighting against the wind and waves. The storm showed no signs of abating, and the crew's morale began to wane. They were exhausted, soaked to the bone, and running low on supplies. Every day was a test of their endurance and determination. But on March 13th, disaster struck. A fierce gust drove the ship off course, and in the blinding mist, it collided with a sheer cliff, 780 feet high. The impact was catastrophic. The sound of the collision echoed through the fog, a deafening crash that signaled the end of their journey. The ship's hull was breached, and water began to pour in. A fierce gust drove the ship off course, sending it careening towards the rocky coastline. The crew had no time to react. The ship was at the mercy of the storm, and there was nothing they could do to prevent the inevitable. The cliff loomed out of the fog, a massive wall of rock that seemed to rise up out of nowhere. And in the blinding mist, it collided with a sheer cliff, 780 feet high. The impact was catastrophic. The ship's wooden hull splintered on impact, and the force of the collision threw the crew off their feet. The President Félix Faure was mortally wounded, and it was clear that it would not survive the night. The crew had to act quickly if they wanted to survive. With the ship compromised, the crew had no choice but to abandon it, launching lifeboats in a desperate bid for survival. The lifeboats were their only hope, but the storm made the task of launching them incredibly difficult. The waves threatened to capsize the small boats, and the crew had to work together to ensure that everyone made it off the ship safely, launching lifeboats in a desperate bid for survival. The lifeboats were tossed about by the waves, and the crew had to fight to keep them afloat. They were cold, wet, and terrified, but they knew that they had to keep going. The storm showed no mercy, and the crew's survival depended on their ability to stay together and keep the lifeboats from capsizing. The President Félix Faure's fate is a chilling reminder of the sea's unpredictable power. The ship, once a symbol of pride and progress, was now a broken wreck, a testament to the destructive force of nature. The crew's ordeal was far from over, but they had survived the initial disaster. They were now adrift in the stormy sea, with no land in sight and no way to call for help. The President Félix Faure's fate is a chilling reminder of the sea's unpredictable power, and the courage of those who dared to navigate it. The crew of the President Félix Faure showed incredible bravery and resilience in the face of overwhelming odds. Their story is a testament to the human spirit and the will to survive. They faced the worst that nature had to offer, and they did so with courage and determination. What other secrets does the ocean hide? The sea is vast and mysterious, and there are countless stories of ships lost to its depths. Each one is a reminder of the power and unpredictability of nature. The story of the President Félix Faure is just one of many, but it serves as a powerful reminder of the dangers that sailors face every time they set out to sea. Stay tuned for more tales of maritime mystery. The ocean holds many secrets, and we are only just beginning to uncover them. Join us as we explore the mysteries of the deep and uncover the stories of those who dared to navigate its treacherous waters.